Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am obviously doing a tutorial on this look right here. This is the look I was wearing in my 500 subscriber giveaway video, which if you guys haven't seen, right up there, go ahead, click it and watch. And let's get into the tutorial before I die of a heat stroke.
Invincible.
Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I am legit sweating right now. This is not sheen. I am actually sweating. At this point when I'm filming this, it is Sunday. It is Father's Day today. I will not be posting a video on Wednesday. I'm sorry guys, but until they come and fix my AC in this apartment, I can't sit here and film under these lights. I will die of a heat stroke. I'm already developing like splotches and I'm having, this is sunburn from golfing today, but other than that, this, like, legit, I can't film. It's too hot. Everything is sweating right off, and this isn't even like, oh, it's sweating after I've gone outside. No, this is like, I'm sweating here while I'm trying to put mattifying primer on. I can't do it. So, there will not be a video this Wednesday. I am really, really sorry. I will be back for the live stream on Friday to announce the winners of the 500 giveaway. What else? Oh, subscribe button down below. You know, because you want to win things, right? Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. This Friday's live stream will be starting at 6:15 p.m. So guys, that's actually a lie. I realized after I decided that I was going to do that at 8:15 p.m. that I actually have my sister's birthday dinner this Friday. So I will be postponing the live stream for Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So that's 11 a.m. if you're on the East Coast, and that's going to be 8 a.m. if you're on the West Coast. Sorry guys, I wanted to do it on Friday, but I'm not skipping my sister's birthday dinner to do it. No offense. So yeah, make sure you guys tune in so you find out whether or not you won one of the wonderful, wonderful box prizes. Be sure to like this video. Also, if you want to see more tutorials from me. That is everything. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you for the Friday live stream. Bye guys.